McKenna. I'm our Global Brand Manager here at Skullcandy. Today, I'm here to tell you about our new active noise canceling headphone, Venue. When most people think about noise canceling, you might think overpriced headphones for corporate guys on airplanes. But the rest of us, wherever we might be, are constantly surrounded by noise. We don't want to tune out the world around us. We want to tune into what we care about. Venue is noise canceling for the rest of us. Here's what we mean by active noise canceling. Whether you're traveling or in a busy coffee shop, Venue actively filters out the constant noise around you, delivering your audio in its purest form. This allows you to create your own space in the busiest of places. If you do want to hear your surroundings, just turn on monitor mode. This allows you to clearly hear the outside world. Venue also provides long-lasting comfort with pivoting ear cups for fit adjustments, plush memory foam ear cushions, and a 24-hour battery life featuring rapid charge technology. You never have to stop listening. With Venue, a 10-minute charge gets you an incredible 5 hours of music you can feel. And if you ever need to plug in, Venue comes with a backup aux cable. And with Venue's impressive Bluetooth range, you can have your content up to 100 feet away from your device. The built-in microphone and ear cut buttons let you easily manage your calls, pause your music, activate Assistant, and skip songs. Let's talk about how Venue delivers music you can feel. Venue packs powerful, custom-tuned 40mm drivers. This gives you attacking bass, natural vocals, and precision highs that sound great with any playlist. When you pair this with active noise canceling technology, you get your audio in its purest form. Lastly, I want to tell you about our exciting partnership with Tile, exclusive to our Venue headphones. Tile technology allows you to locate and ping a missing item, like your headphones. If you ever do lose Venue, just go into your Tile app and locate where you last left them. The ultimate, affordable, noise-canceling headphones. That's Venue by Skullcandy. Feel it.